Alright, welcome to the channel. I guess this will be the first series that I'll probably be including. So pretty much the main goal is to document and kind of show people what they can do with a small garage. So currently this is just a standard one car garage. I guess it's a little bit above standard. It's pretty decently big. It's got a little bit more than one car room. Whatever the hell that means. One car room. It's got more than enough room to fit one car. It's decently big, got plenty of room for storage, and my main goal with this is to pretty much add storage, a toolbox for some tools to pretty much work on my BMW. It's just a standard 335, but I'll probably have some more videos in the future kind of document it and show some of the mods that I have for it and what I'm working on with it. But for this series, I want to do storage racks. I have a deep freezer, toolbox, tools, better lighting, because one of the main issues in here is that the lighting is just horrible. So, as you can kind of see up there, I have one of the LED lights I'm testing out. But I guess in part 2, I'll probably go through the lighting situation and show you what I'm going to do for the lights. But in this video, I'm going to pretty much do some organization, some cleaning, go through and get everything at least somewhat organized. I still need to go through and organize all the tools into the toolbox and so on and so on. But this will be the first part. At least get some of the organization done and some room to move around in here. Because if you look over here, kind of a sneak peek, I'm filming this a little out of order, but this is a sneak peek at what's to come. Still not completely done, but some of this stuff is kind of organized. Some of it still needs some work, but it's getting there. All right, let's get to it. So, gotta get it done. It's not too bad. Honestly, just cleaning up all this dust.
It's more